If people knew how hard I worked to get my mastery, it would not seem so wonderful after all. Before you start some work, always ask yourself 3 questions. Why am I doing it? What the result might be, and will I be successful? Only when you think deeply and find satisfactory answer to these questions, go ahead. Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. I do not know anyone who has got to the top without hard work. That is the recipe. It will not always get you to the top, but should get you pretty near. Hard work spotlights the character of people. Some turn up their sleeves, some turn up their noses, and some don't turn up at all. The only thing standing between you and outcourage success is continuous progress. You need discipline. Talent is cheaper than table salt. What separates the talented individual from the successful one is a lot of hard work. Hard work is a prison sentence only if it does not have meaning. Once it does, it becomes the kind of thing that makes you grab your wife around the waist and dance a jig. The fight is won or lost far away from witness. Behind the lines, in the gym, and out there on the road, long before I dance under those lights. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seems to be no hope at all. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. Try not to become a man of success. Rather, become a man of value. Success is stumbling from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Don't spend time beating on a wall, hoping to transfer it into a door. A is a success in life, then A equals X plus Y plus Z. Work is X, Y is play, and Z is keeping your mouth shut. It is hard to fail, but it is worse never to have tried to succeed. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things.